Good evening, friends. This is Harish from third year CSC. Now I am going to discuss about cyber policing, the multifaceted cyber criminal, fake government of Telangana. What is sauce for ghosts is sauce for the gender. Abstract. The cyber crimes bring annoying problems to the people worldwide. They brought a number of new crime activities, actors, and new challenges in fighting against them. The cyber policing is meant of stopping cybercrimes and is a knowledge intensive challenge. The fake government of Telangana is online cyber criminal organization associated to JNTH JAC that is prevailing even now in JNTH academic environment. The fake government of Telangana committed multiple cyber crimes against the Indian nation. For this, we have cyber forensic evidence through Wayback Machine, a web crawler tool or web robot running on internet. But the status quo state of cyber policing for this case discloses the fact that the police personnel failed to deal with correctly. We discussed our analysis of the deleterious effect of the cybercrimes and some steps to remediate them. We firmly hold the opinion that if the state and central government release the white paper detailing their efforts to diffuse the cybercrimes, then they can receive trust and increase people's trust over the nation. Unlike the case in which Swami Paripurnananda was extended, neither the twin cyber criminal organizations, namely the fake government of Telangana and JNT JAC, served any prohibition orders by police, nor the cyber criminals are convicted. They raised many moot questions. We have devised a declaration for social media users ethics that can weaken and mitigate a abusive uses of social media by educated elite. Introduction. Cybercrime is any criminal activity that involves a computer network device or a network. Cybercrimes are building every community so frequently and they are diminishing the social and national values. The very purpose of the computer and the internet are getting lost by the abusive actions of the cyber criminals in the society. The courage that the cyber criminals invest in the commission of cyber crimes is yielding desired benefits to them because of many flaws in handling of the crimes. Cyber policing plays a vital role in criminal procedure and finds its value highly in cyber security policies. Appropriate cyber policing is the heart of the Swachh Digital India and is yet to come. We found out two organizations of offline organization JNT JAC and online organization fake government of Telangana, to which JNT JAC claimed the association during the Telangana agitation from the year 2011 and prevalent in JNT's academic environment. The fake government of Telangana and JNT JAC are found to have committed multiple cyber crimes against the Indian, namely one state emblem of Telangana of India, prohibition of improper use, Act 2005 violation, second one identity theft, third one cheating government of Telangana, fourth one seditious web crawl image and homepage of www.jnth.com dated 12th November 2011 has given in Figure 1 the proper handling of cybercrimes by the concerned, concerned parties pave way for the people to be motivated positively, leading to their quality of life and quality of national life. Positive, positive psychology in the people can help develop character building, society building, and national building. Second one, related work. We carried out the literature survey related to our research work, and the details are presented below. The first groundwork related to the cyber crimes involved in the continuous case study was present in 1. From the elaboration of work with respect to issues, the issues and details were presented on better grounds in second and third. The research work gaining strong ground has in 4, 6 and 7, 8 has cybercrimes. Evidence of the cybercrimes was thoroughly captured and presented on more elaborations of reporting and recording the details. The work in 9 depicts the impact of Right to Information Act and challenge the conditions that were against the pursuing for the field reporting and ensuring the registration of cybercrime to successfully persuade of public authorities for right information in IT era we are in. Third one, cyber policing the India abusive fake government of Telangana. In early 20 plus, earlier we indexed the publications. We brought limelight based on cyber forensic open source web robot Wayback Machine. The twin cyber criminal organizations Wise fake government of Telangana and Giant Age prevalent in Giant Age economic environment during 2011 to 14. The resultant deleterious effect and our remedial analytics. The government of Telangana 2014 to 18, an offshoot of the fake government of Telangana in backdrop of prevalence of two COOs and AP Recognition Act 2014 was effected. We lodged police complaints against the two COOs with respect to our first police complaint. The FIR was filed in Jan 2014 in KPHP police station against the violation of state emblem of India, prevention of improper use. The Act 2005. The witness provided by the police in court trial turned as hostile evidence and accused A1 was acquitted. A1 Government of AP got copy of judgment and several moot questions are it's not abusive that KBHB police station is party. KBH police station forwarded our RTA application consisting of 48 questions to the JNTH to respond our 42 questions, but JNTH are apathic. This gives the impression the JNTH and Cyberabad police colluded to spare the twin cyber criminal organization. To our second police complaint in Jan 2018 against the seditious government of Telangana. Cyber police filed FIR in Jan 2018 against the violation of 66C IT Act, identity theft, but turned Nelson's eye to the reported sedition crime. Fourth one, the many facets of 3D government of Telangana. Negative use of models, for example, dark web, the descriptive ICT, information and communication technology becomes a threat to ensure sustainable, progressive nation, society and culture. Cybercrimes which captured such models played vital role in misleading of Telangana youth and society society in the case of Telangana movement in the result of economic merit and leadership turned Indian abusive during 2011 to 14, 26, 27 in technical education environment in Telangana. The multidimensional perspective and significance of such cybercrimes were highlighted in nearly 20 research publications, including our earlier NEOP 2017 presentation towards the research at tracking the issues of cybercrimes from 360 degrees, life cycles, and remedial perspectives. We endeavored to recover economic and national losses due to cybercrime. Fifth one, the what is source for goose is source for the gender. Why was Swami Paripurnananda extended through the prohibition order against J&T Jack and DGOT rogue or dark government of Telangana, a J&T academic scam? Seventh one, the conclusion and future work. We presented the nuggets of our research work in handling the cyber crimes case under study. We focused on many mute questions that arose because of ineffective cyber policing with respect to our cybercrime case. We depicted multiplicated 3D government of Telangana and highlighted the government because governments become strong and more powerful if they did release a white paper presenting the measures taken by them to diffuse the effects of these cybercrimes. Such actions can rule out the formation of such cybercrimes organizations in the future. The police issued externment order against Swami Paripurnananda similar to this. The police should issue prohibition order against the fake government of Telangana, J&T Jack, cyber criminal organizations and see the cyber criminals are convicted. What is source for goes is source for gender. We devised a declaration for social media user ethics. We keeps the society on bedrock of values. Hence, abusive social media users will tend to be on wane. As part of our future work, we would like to focus the public opinion generation at a large scale and handle this type of cybercrimes well in future. Thank you so much.